Hi everyone, today we would like to demonstrate how you can remove or delete the messages on your iPhone 14 series device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the iMessage app, then open the dialog with the person that you would like to remove the messages from. Then simply tap on basically any message to start off. Go for the More option over here. Then select what particular messages you would like to remove. And at the bottom left corner, click on the trash bin. Confirm the removal of the selected messages. As you can see, it has just notified us that those messages has been moved into the recently deleted messages. If you would like to remove the text from there as well, just get yourself back to the main messages page. At the top left corner, tap on the edit option, then show recently deleted, select, delete, and confirm your choice. And just like so, those messages have been completely erased from existence. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.